They say the path to success is paved with diplomas, but some of the world's most notable trailblazers forged their own way. Bill Gates, a name synonymous with technological revolution, dropped out of Harvard to build Microsoft. Sir Richard Branson, the magnate behind the Virgin Group, never even stepped foot in a university. These are not anomalies. They are members of a silent revolution, a club of college dropouts who dared to dream bigger than lecture halls and textbooks. They are proof that the most valuable lessons in business are often learned outside the confines of a classroom. These entrepreneurs are not defined by their lack of a degree, but by their relentless pursuit of a vision. They embody the spirit of entrepreneurship, a spirit that thrives on innovation, risk-taking, and an unwavering belief in one's own abilities. Their stories serve as a beacon of hope for aspiring entrepreneurs everywhere, a testament to the fact that success in the business world isn't dictated by a piece of paper, but by the fire that burns within. Why do people choose the often daunting path of entrepreneurship? The answer lies in the allure of freedom. Entrepreneurship offers a level of autonomy that traditional employment rarely provides. Imagine setting your own hours, answering to yourself, and pursuing your passions with unwavering zeal. This is the reality for countless entrepreneurs who have taken the reins of their destiny. The potential for financial reward is another powerful motivator. While entrepreneurship involves risk, it also offers the opportunity to break free from the limitations of a fixed salary. Your earning potential becomes directly proportional to your effort, creativity, and the value you provide to your customers. This direct correlation between hard work and reward is a driving force for many who seek financial independence and the ability to shape their own financial future. And let's not forget the flexibility that comes with being your own boss. Entrepreneurship allows you to design a work-life balance that aligns with your personal values and aspirations, whether it's spending more time with family, pursuing hobbies, or traveling the world. Entrepreneurship can provide the flexibility to live life on your own terms. The notion that a college degree is a prerequisite for entrepreneurial success is a myth that needs to be debunked. In fact, statistics paint a different picture. A significant percentage of successful entrepreneurs built their empires without the benefit of a formal business education. These individuals, armed with grit, determination, and an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, learned through experience, navigated challenges head-on, and emerged as leaders in their respective industries. Take the story of Sarah Blakely, founder of Spanx. With no formal fashion or business background, she turned an idea into a billion-dollar empire. Her journey exemplifies the power of identifying a need, creating a solution, and relentlessly pursuing a vision. Or consider the story of Mark Zuckerberg, who revolutionized social media with Facebook. These stories and countless others demonstrate that entrepreneurial success is not a matter of pedigree, but of passion, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to one's vision. We live in a society that often equates a college degree with intelligence and potential. While higher education undoubtedly holds value for many, it's important to recognize that it is not the only path to success, especially in the entrepreneurial realm. The truth is, the most valuable asset an entrepreneur possesses is not a diploma, but a mindset. It's about embracing a growth mindset, being willing to learn from mistakes, and possessing an unyielding belief in your ability to achieve your goals. The business world is constantly evolving, and the ability to adapt, learn, and innovate is far more valuable than a static degree. The skills required to thrive in this dynamic environment are often learned through experience, mentorship, and a commitment to continuous self-improvement. So, instead of viewing a lack of a degree as a disadvantage, reframe it as an opportunity to chart your own course, define your own success, and build an empire on your own terms. Section 5. From skills to success, your entrepreneurial toolkit. While a degree might not be a prerequisite for entrepreneurial success, a specific set of skills can significantly increase your chances of thriving in the business world. These skills, often honed through experience and practical application, form the cornerstone of your entrepreneurial toolkit. Communication, problem solving, adaptability, and financial literacy are essential tools for navigating the complexities of starting and running a business. Fortunately, many of these skills can be developed and refined through practical experience. Seek out opportunities to volunteer, intern, or work on freelance projects. Network with other entrepreneurs. Attend industry events, and immerse yourself in the world of business. The more you expose yourself to the realities of entrepreneurship, the more confident and prepared you will become. Section 6. The power of persistence. Outlasting the Doubters. The entrepreneurial journey is rarely linear. It's a path riddled with challenges, setbacks, and moments of self-doubt. This is where the power of persistence comes into play. It's about having the resilience to bounce back from failures, the tenacity to persevere through tough times, and the unwavering belief in your vision. Even when others doubt you, remember that every successful entrepreneur has faced their share of obstacles. The difference lies in their ability to view these challenges not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones. Each obstacle overcome, each lesson learned, brings you one step closer to achieving your goals. Section 7. Action over apprehension. Taking the first step. The most common barrier to entrepreneurial success is often ourselves. We allow fear, self-doubt, and the perceived safety of the familiar to hold us back from pursuing our dreams. The truth is, there will never be a perfect time to start a business. The key is to take action, to silence the inner critic, and to embrace the unknown with courage and enthusiasm. Start small, test your ideas, and don't be afraid to iterate along the way. Remember, entrepreneurship is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to realizing your vision. Section 8. Building your empire. Brick by brick, dream by dream. Building a successful business is not about overnight success. It's about the daily grind, the consistent effort, and the unwavering commitment to your vision. It's about laying one brick at a time, building a solid foundation for your empire, dream by dream. Focus on creating value for your customers, building strong relationships, and constantly innovating. Be willing to adapt to changing market conditions, learn from your mistakes, and never stop seeking ways to improve your products, services, and customer experience. Section 9, a future forged by you. The entrepreneurial journey awaits. The entrepreneurial journey is not for the faint of heart, but for those who dare to dream big, to break free from convention, and to forge their own path to success. It's a journey filled with challenges and rewards, setbacks and triumphs, but most importantly, it's a journey that allows you to design a future on your own terms. So if you have the entrepreneurial spirit burning within you, don't let a lack of a degree hold you back. Embrace your unique skills, nurture your passions, and take the leap of faith. The world of entrepreneurship awaits, and with it, the opportunity to build an empire that reflects your vision, your values, and your unwavering belief in yourself. The future is yours to create. And don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel for great business ideas to start today.